Hello students, I'm Bindi Desai from Saraswati International Academy and I will be teaching you 5th English Medium Environmental Studies Chapter 1 Super Senses Part 5. Part 4 we have already discussed MCQ, true or false and fill in the blanks. In part 5 we will be discussing the answer the following questions. So let's start up. Answer the following questions. First one. Give the names of different senses. See, the name of the chapter itself is smart senses, right? Or super senses, we can say. We humans, we also have the super senses like smelling, hearing, touching, that is feeling. Same way, in this chapter, we learned about the different smells, how the ants, how the dogs, they can identify or smell different things. So, first question is give the names of different senses. The answer is the name of different senses are to see, to hear, to taste, to smell and to feel. Now in smell also we learned about good smell and bad smell, is it? Hearing, few animals have long ears, few have small ears. We also learned about the snake that it is not having external ears. And even we learned about the eagle, vulture, kites. Their eyesight is so powerful that they can see long distances, many kilometers. So the answer for this is the name of different senses are to see, hear, taste, smell and feel. Second one. What do scientists believe about animals? See, just as humans, animals are also existing on the earth before many long years. Is it even a human was an animal, ape we can say. So what have scientists observed or what does scientists believe? Scientists believe that many animals have special languages of their own. Yes, see in chapter we learned about dolphins, about the fishes, how they give electrical signals, how the birds can give different signals, right? See our cow, our dog, how they barks, they can understand their language. And even few domestic or pet animals, they understand our language, right? So they have special language of their own. We learned about the langur also, that by seeing the lion and leopard how it makes sound so that the other animals can be aware of it. Third one, give a brief on tiger's sense of hearing. Yes, tiger is actually a wild animal. It lives in the jungle and it is a very powerful animal. Let's see about the sense of hearing. A tiger's sense of hearing is so sharp that it can make out the difference between rustling of leaves. Rustling of leaves is what? The dry leaves or the fallen leaves which are fallen. The movement it can know. And the sound of the animal moving on the grass. See, for suppose if he is on a side and the deer is passing from that, a tiger can easily know that an animal is moving from the place on the grass. The ears of the tiger can move in different directions. Yes, it can move in different directions. And this helps them to catch the sound from all around. It can find out the different animals by the hearing power or by the sound of the animals. Next, fourth one. Name of the animals and the parts of the body which are sold. See, we learned about the hunters and poachers, right? They are the people who kill the animals. Now killing is banned. Now they have to pay penalty if anyone is fined in for hunting the animals. They are fined or penalty is paid to them, is taken from them, sorry. So many animals are being killed for their body parts. Let's see. Animals are killed and their parts are sold. For example, Elephants are killed for their tusk and they are sold in heavy prices. Second is rhinoceros for its horn, which is generally near its nose. The nose part we have human, same way the rhinoceros have big horn, HORN. Third one, tigers, crocodiles and snakes for their skins. Fourth one, musk deer to make a little scent from its musk. Also there are many things which are made from animals, leather, belt, wallets. These are also certain things which are made up of animals. Next question. Give a brief note about an animal, sloth. Sloth, we have learned this in textbook also, right? That animal is like a bear, but it is not a bear. Let's see the answer. Sloth is like a bear, but it is not. It sleeps for 17 hours. From 24 hours, it can sleep for 17 hours while hanging upside down on a tree branch. How does it sleeps? By hanging down on a upside tree branch. The next is, what does the sloth eats? The sloth eats the leaves of the same tree on which it lives. Generally, sloth lives on the top of the tree. First point. Second is, it sleeps for 17 hours. Third is, it is not like bear. It looks like, but it is not a bear. How does it sits? By hanging upside down on a tree branch. We all know a branch of a tree, right? Now, what does it eat? It eats the same leaves of the same tree on which it lives. It does not come down for eating food. Sloth live for about 40 years. So what is the lifespan of sloth? Most probably 40 years, and that time they move around only 8 trees. In 40 years lifetime, it moves only around 8 trees. So are we all clear about the sloth? It is like a bear, but it is not. It sleeps for 17 hours. And how does it sleeps? By hanging upside down on a tree branch. What does it eat? We can say it eats the leaves of the same tree on it which leaves. What is the lifespan? It lives for 40 years, and in that 40 years it moves around only 8 trees. Next one. In what ways do human beings make use of the special sense of smell of a dog? Dog, we have already discussed that it sniffs. SNIFFS. It sniffs. So, dogs are generally used for investigation purposes, right? So, the special sense of smell of dog is used by humans in many ways. Some examples are as follows: for catching criminals, for detecting the golden stolen goods. Stolen goods means anything which is lost, we can say. It is useful for the detecting the stolen goods, and for detecting the bombs. Especially when the terrorist attack happens or something related to terrorist happens, dogs are used for detecting bombs. Next one. The tiger is one of the most alert animals. Yes, we'll discuss right now only that it has a sharp hearing power. The tiger is one of the most alert animals, and yet today tigers are in danger. What do you think are some of the dangers to the tigers in the jungle? See, hunting is very common, right? How they are killed, how the many of the animals are killed, and how the number of animals is being decreasing, not increasing. The animals are being decreased. Let's see the answer. Hunters and poachers are the biggest threats. Threats means what? They do injury, they are harmful, right? Threats for the tigers. They kill the tiger for skin. Lion is also more powerful than tiger. and it can be danger for the tiger. Large scale destruction of forest is another major danger of tiger. See, what does this mean, large scale destruction of forest? Nowadays more and more population is increasing, is it? So number of trees are also being used, woods are used, so trees are being cut for daily purposes, for day to day uses by people. So what happens, the jungle is being less, the food is less for the animals in the jungle. So large scale destruction means that only the number of trees are being cut in more and more numbers. So it is another major danger for tigers. Next, eighth one. What are national parks? Where are national parks in India? See, zoo, sanctuary, national parks. We all know this, right? These are the places where the animals are being protected and kept. They are safe here, we can say, instead of roaming here and there. So, where are the national parks in our India? First one, Kanha National Park in Madhya Pradesh. Second one, Gir National Park in Gujarat. Third one, Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Fourth one, Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Fifth one, Nagarhole National Park in Mysore. Next, sixth one, Palamu National Park in Jharkhand. These are the famous national parks which are situated in our India, and these are the places where the animals are kept and protected properly and they are safe. Next, the question related to it only, that why are the national parks made? National parks have been made to protect animals and plants. Just as I told you, protecting animals and plants is necessary to protect our environment. Yes, the most important thing, how the cycle goes on, right? How we each other are connected, plants, animals, human beings, everyone is connected to each other. So protecting animals and plants, it is very necessary and important to protect our environment. Some animals get special status in these parks. Yes, there are certain animals, like we have lions and we have rhinos. They are very rare in species. Rare matlab they are very less in number. So Kaziranga National Park gives special protection to the rhinos, which are very rare species. Next is Gir National Park, gives protection to the lions. See, we learned Gir National Park, it is in Gujarat, and Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. So in Assam, many of the rhinos are protected, and in Gujarat, many of the lions are being protected. Next one, 10th one. Give examples of animals that may have a very strong sense of sight, hearing or smell. Yes, the main base of the chapter, the answer itself says us. Some examples are as follows. A police dog can smell explosive which cannot be detected by human beings. Explosive means the things which are going to burst, like bombs. Second one, an eagle. Yes, eagle, kite, vultures, which I already told you, they can see many kilometers away. They can catch the prey. They can see the prey. An eagle can see its small prey from high in the sky. Third one, a mosquito can find a human being. Yes, mosquitoes we generally find at our home, right? Every time, so irritating. How they can know? By the body odor. Body odor is what? Body smell of human being. Also by the heat of the body and the sole of the feet. The mosquitoes can find human being by smelling his body, smell or odor. Next one. Some animals have behave in a strange manner in case of a natural calamity. See, we have already discussed that earthquakes and cyclones or storms, animals can easily know that certain danger is going to happen. Is it? So certain animals have that sense that they can know about the danger. So some animals behave in a strange manner in case, so even the people who live in the jungle can easily predict or know that something is going to be danger. How? By the behavior, strange behavior of animals. Thank you.